What's up guys, it's Dobby from DUCKCHAR, and today we're not making duck, we're smoking trout. This smoked trout recipe is super easy to make. You can eat it cold or you can eat it hot. So usually we'll make a couple fish, we'll have them for dinner, and then we'll put the rest in the fridge, and you can use them for crostinis, you can use them for sandwiches, you can use them for salads. I'm not even sure why I used to buy this stuff in the store. I used to only buy smoked trout in stores. I should have been making it myself the whole time. That was really dumb. There's just a few simple ingredients in this recipe. The first step is where we're gonna add all the extra flavor, and that's through the brine. We'll get started by brining whole trout with brown sugar, kosher salt, and a little black pepper. After brining the fish, we're gonna pat it dry and then set the smoker. It's honestly better to keep the smoker as low as you can. Usually around 180 to 200 is what we go for. If you're smoking whole trout, before you put the fish on the smoker, take a toothpick or a twig and put it in between the two fillets to prop it open. That'll make sure you get enough smoky flavor infusing the whole fish. Cook the fish until it's flaky and cooked all the way through, and after that it's totally ready to serve. As you guys can see, smoking trout is super easy. There's just a few ingredients and you already have them all in your pantry. If you guys have any comments or questions, be sure to comment below. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. That's it, that's all. We'll see you guys next time. Peace. Hi, this is Dobby from DUCKCHAR, and today we're sauteing sockeyed salmon. How was that? Trout? No, we're making salmon today. You guys, no, that can't be possible. I've created that alliteration. It's an amazing opening. I'll tell you what. You sent me an email. Let's check the email, and if it's the case, then I'll make the trout right now. But if it's not, you're gonna go out to the store and you're gonna buy me some sockeyed salmon. I've got the email here, July 1st, subject, smoked trout DUCKCHAR recipe video. All right, that's okay. I can do the trout. That sounds actually really good. I'll think of another opening or something like that. All right, let's do this.